The best Mac tools, freaking button puller, that chills there, and sockets galore. My toolbox is based out of working on 6 liters mainly, so you can tell there's like a lot of stuff in here for 6 liter stuff. There's pink duct tape back in there. That's always nice to have. Snap-on ratchets, 1 gear wrench ratchet, extensions. The fun electrical drawer. Yeah, that's nice too. I better go grab that phone. Hold on. More sockets. My Vim toolkit, another Vim toolkit, a Casey tool, 1/4 inch kit. These are all